Great people like you, please never underestimate the value of you as a human. You have so much power within you.
Dr. Rashid Alleem is magician with the word.
Up to us to give ourselves that the energy within us. Discover yourself. You are very unique.
He is the most in-demand motivational speaker in the world.
Something new is needed, and this is why we're here. We're here to create a difference. But the big question, I guess, what type of difference we want to create?
A leader behind the success of many projects in the world.
So you're the focal point. You are the one to decide when to go for the great change.
And he's going to teach us how to be successful, how to be a leader, and how to smile in life.
Leave your mark. Make a difference. Make a type of a difference that the whole world is waiting for.
A series of exclusive interviews with Dr. Rashid Alleem, only on Just One Television.